absolutely think that the environment can heal. I personally seek the environment whenever I'm feeling despair or I'm feeling any negative emotion.
Come here. Oh, little baby worm. Little baby worm.
I guess ever since I was little, I've always just been fascinated by bugs. I think that it was just the feeling that I got when I interacted with them that made me believe that life is valuable outside of just humans. I really care about the living beings that a lot of humans tend to not care about. I think it correlates a bit to feeling uncared for or underappreciated as a child. It feels like I'm honoring my child self whenever I'm able to express care for another living being that isn't receiving it from something else. She asks me to kill the spider. Instead, I get the most peaceful weapons I can find. I take a cup and a napkin. I catch the spider, put it outside, and allow it to walk away. If I am ever caught in the wrong place at the wrong time, just being alive and not bothering anyone, I hope I am greeted with the same kind of mercy.